talk about how can you add or change cover uh, on your Audiomack app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, you click on it here. So when you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to next step. When you just click here on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list. Clicking this sign here. So when you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to edit your banner image. Just click on it here. So then here can you select if you want to take photo from camera, or here you choose it from your gallery here. Here can you select, that's all you have to do. So when you done, just click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.